Are you looking to update your project's name, project key, or other important details in Jira but aren't quite sure where to start? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the simple, step-by-step process for changing your project name, project key, and additional space details in Jira. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently manage these settings and keep your projects organized and easy to find, whether you're tidying up, rebranding, or just keeping things up to date. So let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the space that contains the project you want to update. In Jira, spaces are kind of like folders where related projects and tasks live together, so make sure you're in the correct one. Once you're there, look towards the upper right or occasionally the side menu, depending on your screen layout, for the three dots icon. This is sometimes called the More Options menu, and it hides a lot of handy features that aren't visible at first glance. Go ahead and click those three dots. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for managing the space. What you're looking for is space settings. If you're doing this for the first time, it might take a second to spot, but it's usually labeled clearly. Pause for a moment here, and remember, if you don't see space settings, you may need specific permissions, so double-check with your Jira admin if anything seems missing. Once you're inside space settings, this is where the real magic happens. On this screen, you'll see a collection of editable fields: the name of the space key, category, space owner, and default assignee. Let's break down what these mean so you're not just clicking buttons, you're making informed changes. The project name is what people see when they're browsing projects or searching. If your team's focus has shifted, or maybe you inherited a generic name and want something more descriptive, here's where you make that improvement. The space key, on the other hand, is a short identifier used throughout Jira. Think of it like a project's nickname. This key shows up in issues and references across the system. Try to keep it concise but meaningful, so that everyone knows exactly what it stands for. Changing this helps clarify work and makes cross-referencing much easier. Category is a helpful way to group related spaces like software development, marketing, or HR. If your space's category is out of date, you can tweak it to better describe what you're working on. The space owner sets who is listed as responsible for the space. This is useful for accountability and for tracking down the right person if questions pop up. Lastly, default assignee lets you choose who gets new tasks by default. This can really streamline workflow if you know one person is handling new incoming issues. Carefully type in your changes, double-check for any typos, and take a moment to think about how these updates will look to your team. Once you're happy, scroll to the bottom and hit Save. Don't worry if the changes take a second to go through. That's normal. You should see an updated summary, and from here, you're all set. Your project has a fresh name, a clear and simple key, and up-to-date details that will help your team collaborate smoothly. So that's all there is to it. You've now learned exactly how to change your project name, project key, and space details in Jira, making your projects more organized and easier for everyone to recognize. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or run into any issues. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more practical Jira tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.